Welcome to live math quiz with Dr. Vivian. Okay, so it's going to be a live math quiz. All right. So we work with time. Who is the fastest? You solve, you drop your answer. I'm going to read it out. So you're going to pay attention. Get your question right, solve it out fast, and drop your answer. So on our first question is, now on this math question, we are going to ask questions from board maths, PEMDAS, that's order of operation. Then we have quick maths from algebra. We are going to solve some maths from maths reasoning and all that. So the way we do it is, once you drop the first question, the fastest person to answer, we're going to clap for the person. Okay? So it's going to be a beautiful day today. So our first question is, what is 25%? 25% of 160. What is 25% of 160? All right. The first question is, what is 25% of 160? If you know it, please quickly drop your answer. Then I will see. I'm here with my book where I take record of those who answered. So please feel free to drop your answers. Okay. So please, you're welcome to Dr. Vivian Mathematics tutorial live section. We're having life challenge with Dr. Vivian. So we are dropping our first question, which is, what is 25% of 160? If you know 25% of 160, please, you drop your answer. All right. What is 25% of 150? Okay. So let me solve that. Now, there's a math trick you can use to solve 25% of any number. And whenever you're asked to find 25% of any number, divide that number into 4 places. You see 25 into 4 is equal to 100. So I said, what is 25% of 160? So it's just 160 divided by 4. And 160 divided by 4 is equal to 40. And that is the answer to the question. Okay? So chase to me. I solved this one correctly. All right? So the second question is, what is 1,000 minus 333? 333. 1,000 minus 333. So please, if you know the answer, kindly drop. I pick down your names, then I will solve, and the person that got it first will get an applause from me. That is how we do it. Okay? So the question says, what is 1,000 minus 333? 1,000 minus 333. Okay, 1,000 is 1,000 minus 333. Okay, so please drop your answer if you know. So drop your answer, let's see, please. So let me just solve that. 1,000 minus 333 is equal to, now there's a trick to that. I'll be teaching you a trick to solve this. When you're asked to add, subtract 1,000, 333 from 1,000, and you are not going, and you don't have calculator, this is how you do it. Now you write 1,000, you minus 1 from 1,000, and you have 999. And you subtract from the 333 you are giving, also subtract 1 from it, and you have 332. Okay, so 332 999 minus 332 is 766. That is 667. That is the answer to the second question. All right, so cheers to me. Please, I want you guys to participate in this life challenge, okay? It's for everybody. I want you to participate, all right? So we go to the next question. The next question says, double 48 and subtract 20. Double 48 and subtract 20. Double, double, double 48 and subtract 20. Please, thank you for joining us. We are on live challenge with Dr. Vivian. Okay, so we are going to be asking questions and you'll be solving. Yesterday, I used my pen, but I traveled and I forgot my camera stand. So by tomorrow, I should have it. But for today, we are going to do verbal math challenge. That is how it is done in quiz. In quiz and in math competition, the word is called out and you solve and drop your answer. Okay, so the question now is double 48, then subtract 20. Please, if you solve, drop your answer. It's for everybody. It's not for any particular person. It's for you. I'm talking to you. It's for you, yes. Join us. If I call out a question, you solve it and drop the answer. I've been trying to see how to drop comments, but I'm not seeing comments. What I'm seeing here is start a poll or start a question and answer. Okay, let me try question and answer. Double 48 and subtract 20. Okay, done. I've done that. I don't know what. Please, the question is double 48 and subtract 20. So the solution is 48 times 2 minus 20. So 48 times 2 is 96. 96 minus 20 is 76. So that is the answer. Please, I want you to participate, okay? Then the third question is, solve for x, given 2x plus 5 equal to 11. Solve for x. We are going to find x, find the value of x, given 2x plus 5. Hi, Michael, how are you? You're welcome, please. Okay. So the question says, solve for x, given 2x plus 5 equal to 11. Please kindly solve and drop your answer. Okay. Solve for x, given 2x plus 5 equal to 11. Please kindly solve and drop your answer. Kindly solve and drop your answer, please. Solve for x, given 2x plus 5 equal to 20. Please, any answers? Drop your answers, okay? Let me solve that again. We are asked to solve for x, given 2x plus 5 is equals to 11. So we subtract 5 from the both sides of the equation. So we have 2x minus 5. 2x plus 5 minus 5 equals to 11 minus 5. Okay, so we have 2x is equals to 6. Divide both sides by 2. We have x is equal to 3. So the answer is x equal to 3. So please chest to me. I want you guys to help me participate in this life challenge. It's for everybody. It's for you, not for me. Okay? It's for all of us. So I want to, if I ask question, you help me solve, then I'll mark. I'll look at the answers you've dropped and now know who is getting it right. Okay? So done that. That is question number 4. So question number 6 is, if you buy 3 books for $60, how much is 1 book? If you buy 3 books for $60, how much is 1 book? Okay. If you buy 3 books for $60, how much is 1 book? All right. So please participate. Help me solve, drop your answers. It's very important. Please, if you're joining us for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up if you are enjoying the live section. Okay. If you buy 3 books for $60. How much is one book? Please help us participate. Drop your answers, okay? So let me solve this. We are told that we bought 3 books for $60. So we are asked how much is one book. Now it's simple. You bought 3 books for $60. To know the price of one book, you divide $60 by 3. Okay? So 60 divided by 3 will give us 20. So one book costs $20. Okay? So that's the solution to that. And I'm giving myself cheers. Please, this cheers is made for you, not me. I want you to solve so that I can be cheering you. Okay? Now we're going to solve this board mass question. It's going to be an easy one. Okay, we have 100 divided by 10 multiplied by bracket open 2 plus 8 bracket close. All right, 100 divided by 10 multiplied by bracket open 2 plus 8 bracket close. Okay, there's 2 plus 8 in bracket. 100 divided by 10 multiplied by 2 plus 8 in brackets is equal to what? All right, please kindly solve, okay? So who is the first person that will solve our question? This is a quick math challenge, all right? Please, we work with time. I want you to solve. I have to bring easy question that we can easily solve, okay? The question says 100 divided by 10 multiplied by bracket of 8 plus 2 is equal to what? All right, let me drop some options, okay? The first option is 28. The second option is 100, okay? So please, 100. Okay, so this is the question. So that is the question on the screen. 100 divided by 10 multiplied by 8 plus 2 is what? Okay, drop your answers. I've given options. Just vote. Let's see what you think. Please help us participate in this challenge, okay? Help us participate. Help us solve questions. Let's see. Okay, let me tell you, the solution to this question is 100. The solution to the question I just asked is 100. All right. So let's go to the next question. So the next question is, the sum of two numbers is 15. The sum of two numbers is 15, and one is double the other. What are the numbers? The sum of two numbers is 15, 15, and one is double the other. What are the numbers? The sum of two numbers is 15, and one is double the other. What are the numbers? The sum of two numbers is 15, and one number is the double of the other. What are the numbers? So we are told the sum of two numbers is 15, okay? We are told that the sum of two numbers is 15, and one of the number is double of the other. So if one is double of the other, that is, we are looking at three number, because one and its double is 1 plus 2, and that is 3. So you divide 15 by 3, and we have 5. Okay, so the answer is 5. All right, because the sum of the two, 5 is the first number is 5, and the double of the 5 is 10. Is the answer to the question. 5 and 10, they are the numbers. All right. The next number is a number divided by half is 24. What is the number? A number divided by half is 24. What is the number? A number divided by half is 124. What is the number?